Good afternoon, Mighty Nighty. Hey, you may not know this about me, but I love vehicles. However, the things I love about vehicles, I love to drive them, I love to look at them, and I love to add things to them. But here's my weakness. I don't know how to do mechanics. I don't know how to add to a vehicle. I don't know how to do body work. But my son does. My son Dustin works auto body repair. And so quite often when I'm getting ready to add something to that Jeep, I'll give him a call. I'll be like, hey, I'm getting ready to add a winch. What do you advise? Now you may be asking yourself, well, what does this have to do with something? Well, years ago I read, plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. You see, if I go in there and try to do that stuff on my Jeep by myself, my Jeep's probably going to fall apart. But when I seek the counsel of others, like my son and my brother-in-law, then my Jeep's going to look good. It's going to keep on running. It's going to be all together. You know, I think in our lives, we also need to seek counsel. In the military, every year we have to do this thing called a PHA, a physical health assessment. And that tells us how healthy we are. And the medical professionals help set that up for us and help us to know that, hey, we are good for the fight. What if we would do a family health assessment? What if we would take a look at our families and we would see, how are we on communication? How are we on conflict resolution? How are we on building a blended family? How are we on our parenting skills? You see, I think that if we would take a look at our families and we would do a family health assessment, it would be and make our families a whole lot stronger, because I really feel that our family's health is a key part of being ready all the time. And so here's what I want us to think about. You know, if we care enough about our vehicles to have a tune-up on them every 3 months, every 6 months, or every year, we care enough about our physical bodies to have a physical assessment done every year, why shouldn't we do the same with our families? And so I want to challenge you. Seek the guidance of the subject matter experts, the chaplains, mental health, Airmen and Family Readiness Center, a financial counselor, or our military family life consultants, so that we seek the counsel of many advisors, and in that way, our families will be successful. And so here's our challenge. What are we doing to make sure that our families remain healthy, stay strong, so that we can stay strong in the fight?